Hi everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is late. This is the July Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box. This is the unboxing, but there was a mix-up and they didn't send it to me, so they had to resend it to me again. So it's a little late, but I did look through it and it's absolutely beautiful. So I didn't want to skip out on the unboxing in case if you didn't see anybody else's. So this is Sunflowers Vincent van Gogh Magical Mystery Bead Box for July 2020. And these are all of the things inside. Fields of Arrows, Heishi strand beads, and sunflower mixes, and all kinds of goodies. So let's get started with this. Ooh. Ooh, lots of beauties. Oh, so excited for this. I love those the little pink stuff that comes in there. I always try and use it up. Let me make sure my camera is set up. Got some new lighting. I think it's really working great. So let me kind of bring you down a little more. Okay. So let's see. So let me get one of my little things here. Let me get set up, and I will be right back with you. Okay. So the first one is the Fields of Arles Heishi bead strand. This is so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let me turn on one more light. Okay, let me see here. I feel like it's okay. I don't know why I'm being a little okay. So here we have the Fields of Arles. Beautiful. You can actually just take this off, put it right on a wire and make a bracelet out of it. It's perfect. So we've got this. This is really pretty. The Heishi beads are so cool on this. We've got that. Next is the Yellow House bead strand. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that boho bead. Wow. That is beautiful. And look at this. Look at those bead caps. And that bead inside. And that teardrop. Absolutely beautiful. These big boho beads. Oh, I just absolutely love this strand. And let me... There. That's a little better. I think I hit it too far to the side. Okay. The next one is Gratitude, Friendship, and Happiness bead mix. This is so pretty. I hate to open it up because I don't want to lose everything. Oh, but this is really pretty. Let me open it up. Okay, I had to open it up. So we start with these adorable little cha-cha. I call them this, but I call them little cha-cha charms. They're so cute. We've got two of them here. And just fluff them out a little bit. So pretty. And then look at these beads. Wow. I'm going to get another thing so I can put them in there after I look at them. These are so pretty. I'm thinking of doing, well, so far, so I'm thinking some memory wire bracelets with these because there's just so many different colors and textures. Like, look at these, how pretty these are. And then we've got these, and I'll probably do some earrings too. But I have some really cool crystal bicones in a really bright sunshine yellow that I think would look pretty in between some of these. These are so pretty. And then these. Wow. And then I got a little spacer, rhinestone spacers. Here's another one. Where'd it go? Oh, here's another one. 5. Oh, there's 6 of them. It's nice when they have even, so if you wanted to use them for earrings. Yeah, here's, so that's that. Very pretty. We got the green ones. Very pretty. And then we've got these other green ones. Little faceted beads. So pretty. And then these are the holes at the top of these. So these would be really cool for like a focal part for a necklace or something. You could put them all right in the front. Very pretty. And we've got some of these little ones right here, which are so cute. There's 4 of these. Wait, oh, there's 5. I think there's 6. Hold on. 5. Yes, there's 6 of these. Get these. Very pretty. Then we've got these. So pretty. And I pendant with here. Oh, we've got bead caps. We've got 4, yeah. We've got little flower bead caps. Oh. Just the rest of these little, oh, these are pretty, these square faceted ones. Very pretty. And just the rest of these little beads right here. I love these. They're kind of irregular, you know, like the faceted, the cut. Very pretty. This green one's faceted. Very pretty. And the rest of these. Very pretty. I'm going to put this together here with the little pom-poms. Okay, and the next one is sunflowers. Oh, this is really pretty. Let me get my scissors. Don't want to. Oh, shoot. Did I just rip that? Okay, I didn't. Okay. Oh, they're coming all over the floor. I got a couple in my... So, let me see here. So I've got these 2 little tassels right here. Adorable. Little green ones. Throw that a little bit out. So cute. So we got these. And then we've got, let me see here. Grab some more of these. These, and I think there was another one here. Maybe not. No. I've got these. And then these are really pretty. These are ceramic ones. Very pretty. Oh. These right here, like teardrops. Very beautiful. And then all of the gold rhinestone spacers. These are smaller, just like the bigger ones. In the other bag. 5. Let me see, 6. I think that's it. Yeah. think that's 6 there. And these are really cool. What are these? Oh, they're like, hold on one second. That should be closed right there. So they have a hole right up here. Let me, oh, here I gotta, yeah, so you can kind of see that. Really pretty. Where's the other one at? 2, 3, 4. Really pretty. Very different. Love them. And then we have these. Very pretty. And just like the other, you know, the spacer beads. There's some more of the little gold spacer beads. To take that a little bit out. We've got some of these little gold ones right here. Yeah, I think I'm going to make 2 memory wire bracelets with these because, oh, and then these are really cool. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it. It's just, it's got like some very tiny, it's got a lot of texture on it. Just some really pretty pieces. So I am definitely, yeah, I think I'm gonna do 2 memory wire bracelets. So I've got that, and then next is at the museum. Oh, these are cute. I'm not going to take these out of the package. These are 2 sunflower, 2 little sunflower pendants. Very pretty. Boutique charm set. This is, let me cut this. So it's got this really pretty sunflower, gorgeous. And then these 2 really cool ones right here. And then 2 more right here. Oh, this is such, I'm really happy with this month's box. This is absolutely beautiful. Very beautiful. Put those right in there. I usually put them, when I put them back, if I open the boxes, I always put them in, what do you call it? I'll put them in different bags with the zipper, or with the, what do you call it? Reclosable ones. So we've got these right here. These are really cool. And they have the bar. And they've got backings. So there's these 2 right here. And then there's these 2. Really pretty here. And then there's these 2 right here. And then there's a little circle right there. Doesn't look like it's closed all the way. That's kind of weird. It's open. But I'm sure you could take a pair of pliers and close it. It's got those. And then I've got 2 backings right here. So these are really pretty. I'm gonna put them with these. Sunflower City here. And then this is Golden Flower Clasp. Oh, very pretty. Look at that. So this could actually be like the front, focal point front of a necklace. See how it's got the thing right there, and it goes in right there. That could be really pretty. That gave me a really cool idea for this. Very pretty. And then chain of blooms. Let me see what this is right here. Oh, very pretty. And it's got jump rings here, so you could actually take this apart if you wanted to. Wow, this is really pretty. You could use this, you could like have this as an extender chain, like, you know, have one with beads and then this like kind of attached to it. Or you could take the jump rings and take these off and just have these sections right there and then put like some beads and then have this and then beads and then that, you know, do a head pin and do it like that. This is really pretty. Really pretty. Let me know down in the comments if you guys get the Jesse James box and what you thought of this month's box. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this box. I can't wait. I'm going to be working all weekend in my bead room creating some stuff, and I will let you see when I'm done. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I will have the link to Jesse James Beads below. So if you're interested in their monthly box, you can get it. And also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, or Pinterest. I have the links below to that as well. So I would just like to thank you all for tuning into my channel, and I will see you on my next video. You have a great day.